What's up everyone, it's Lee here. I'm the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today we're going to talk about warehouse spaces, bounce houses, decor, balloons, partnering with vendors, and the crazy ideas that I have incorporating them all together. So welcome to my mind space. So thinking about the future, it's very exciting for me considering that I'm run out of my house. I don't have a warehouse space yet, and I can literally think up whatever I want and go from there. So I have been looking at commercial spaces lately, and I know I need to make a move soon because my garage is literally busting at the seams. My main plan so far is to partner with a local decor business that I've been working with all summer, and we sub-rented off each other, and we're thinking about sharing a warehouse space together, and it's looking like that's where I'm heading. But that doesn't stop me from dreaming. So here's some of my dreams. I've been dreaming up scenarios for a while about how to make a warehouse space work. So there's so many different options that I could move forward with for my business. I've had thoughts about starting a bartending school with an event rental company on the back end, and then having a caterer in there with the kitchen. That one's kind of messy idea though. I've had thoughts about getting a space where the front end is used for a wedding decor buy and sell shop, so the brides can take all the stuff that they have and they can unload it after their wedding. So their signs, their flowers, their arches, and then I'll sell it at fair prices, but then I keep everything that I want to be in my rental inventory, and yeah. So I've also had dreams of doing like a balloon counter in a party favor aisle attached to the warehouse space. So kind of like the counter that you'd see at Party City, but also offering a setup service with balloon arches and so forth. Literally every day my mind makes up new scenarios. So what can I do with a business? How can I make a multi-stream income that will counteract the large costs of a storage space? So this video is going to highlight a local bounce house company and give you my vision of one of the crazy ideas that I've had when I saw it. So this summer I visited a local bounce house business with like 10 bounce houses. It has an ice cream shop, and that's pretty much it. This place, it makes a lot of money. It's on an acreage, and this place gets packed. So I started thinking, okay, so what if I rented acreage land close to my city, I started a bounce house attraction, and then on the back end there'd be some sort of garage or a big space with my rental company that ran out of it, since my main draws from my website anyways. So I know that there's zoning laws, I know that it would only be seasonal, and there's probably many hidden costs that come with something like this, but it seems like something that would bring in multiple revenue streams. It would bring in bounce house revenue, so like people coming to the bounce houses and then bounces houses going out for parties. The ice cream and treat shop, like hot days and everyone needs a drink. The photo booth company, so I could have one photo booth in-house and then one or a bunch of photo booths going out like normal. And yeah, the rental company. So tell me if I'm wrong about this, because it feels like it would work. I'd need what? Bounce houses, generators, artificial turf, fencing, porta potties, what else? The land, an ice cream shack, vacuums, leaf blowers, storage sheds, security. I like this idea. Let me know what you think. Drop it in the comments. That's my video for today, just a little peek into my mind space. And as always, you stay classy.